Hey guys, Debbie OMAD here. Just a quick weigh-in video so I didn't go live. It's been a long day. Debbie OMAD, I've been doing OMAD for about a year and a half. Altogether, I've lost about 80 pounds, give or take. I go up, I come down, I go up, I come down, but I've been pretty steady down. I've had a couple plateaus, but nothing too major. This week, I actually lost 2 pounds, but I was up 4, so that's still up, right? But I'm headed in the right direction, so I'm happy about that. I want to say congratulations to my little sister who just completed her first 49-hour fast, which is fantastic, and I'm really, really, really proud of her because she's never gone that long. So that's pretty cool. And Sherry also did a longer fast this week and lost a little weight. So yay to both of you. Post below how you did this week or on Facebook. I'll try to do a live next weekend. I don't really have a lot to talk about today because I've just got we're doing some deep cleaning and just trying to figure out a good place for Gizmo because that's our dog that most of you are well aware of. But he is into everything. He's teething, so we can't take our eyes off him. And with this new job that I'm testing for, I have to do a lot of Zoom calls, so I'm on camera, so I can't have him jumping on me, right? So we're trying to figure that out. So we're rearranging and trying to figure out how we're gonna do this. Um, so yeah. We're kind of in the middle of that, and I noticed what time it was, so I figured let me just do a real quick video, real quick, so that you guys have my update. And I definitely want to see you guys' updates here and on Facebook. And my hair is just doing all kinds of fun stuff today. Sorry about that. I haven't paid much attention to it because I've been going crazy around here. So post below, and on Facebook, the Facebook group is Debbie OMAD. We will do this together. And let me know how you guys did this week, okay? Much longer video next weekend, and we'll probably do a live. Love you. Bye. Remember, we are in this together. We will do this together.